In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-apply discount codes in Klaviyo sign-up forms. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand sign-up form that not only collects emails but also applies a discount automatically when someone subscribes. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to the dashboard. From there, go to the website section, then choose Sign-up Forms. This is where all of your form templates and drafts live, and it's the best place to start when you want a fast, reliable setup. Click Create Form. You'll see a search bar and a gallery of templates. Use the search if you have a particular style in mind, or browse through the categories. Pick a form style that fits your goal. Pop up for maximum visibility. Fly out for something less intrusive, or embedded if you want the form to live on a specific page. Then choose a template type. The Seasons and Holidays category is a great place to find designs already optimized for promotions. When you see a design you like, click it to begin. Give your form a clear internal name so you can find it easily later. Next, assign it to your email subscriber list. This ensures subscribers go straight into the right list and receive your welcome flow. If you use double opt-in, keep that in mind when crafting your success message so the experience feels consistent. Create the form to open the editor and then click into the new form to start customizing. Update the headline, description, and fields to match your brand voice and data needs. Most templates include an email field and a submit button. Adjust copy, colors, and spacing so everything is easy to read and mobile friendly. Now set up the auto-apply discount experience. In the form editor, switch to the success view, the screen people see after they submit. Add a short confirmation message, include your discount code for clarity, and add a button like Shop Now. Link that button to your store with an auto-apply discount URL. Many platforms support a format such as discount your code or a full URL with a .discount your code parameter. Use your own code and the correct format for your e-commerce platform. This way, when someone clicks the button, the code is applied automatically at checkout or in the cart. Finish by fine-tuning design details, verifying mobile previews, and making sure the success view clearly communicates the next step. Save your changes. You now have a sign-up form that captures leads and applies a discount seamlessly, exactly what you set out to do.